Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to add your store information via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, log into CMS by using your Botier email account. Then, in the home page, click Settings tab of the top right corner CMS. Tap General, Store Profile, Social Channels, Customization. Insert your store name. Next, click on Upload to upload store logo. You can choose your logo from your photo library. The recommended photo size is square size at 100 by 100 pixels. Once chosen, you may zoom in and out to adjust the size of your logo. Next, let's customize the store cover image of your online store. Click on Edit to change your store banner. You may choose the image via your device photo library. The recommended image size should be 2160 pixels in width and 864 pixels in height. You can also add link to your banner to lead customer to your specific products. Once done, click Confirm. Moving on, insert your store description. Once done, click Save. We will now move on to the next step. In your settings page, choose Communication. You may choose to hide or let your customers contact you directly through Instant Messenger at your store. Firstly, upload your Messenger widget icon. Fill in the required details for the chat widgets you'd like to include in your online store. Once done, click Save. You can click on your store URL to see the display of Messenger widget appear on your online store. With that, your store is now set. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.